Hey friends, thanks for joining me. Let's look at a better way to sharpen a chisel. All right, so this is the better way to sharpen a chisel. This is a chisel guide. It is the Sharp Pebble Chisel Guide. Comes with its own little wrench. Comes in this nice plastic little case. And this is the guide. This right here is the guide. So you can sharpen chisels or plane blades if you're using a hand plane. So the way we work this, we're gonna snug it way down to fit our chisel. We have a small one here. So we tighten this down to where it fits in there where it should, and then it holds it snugly, but we need to make sure it's down to the level where this point is touching the stone that we're using. So we will use this stone. We're using this stone, and it's not a great stone because it's been used to where it's only been used in the middle. Students kind of use it in the middle a lot, and they wore a little groove in here, and the same on the really fine side. But it still works for some stuff, not fantastic for this. But the way you use this is you get your chisel, you set your guide on here, make your chisel touch the stone, make sure you're tight, and then you use the wheel back here and you go back and forth. Now, like I said, this one's not great, this stone, because it has the groove in it. So I use actually this is an old grinder wheel that broke. It was shipped broken. So the way we're gonna use that is get our angle and then go back and forth. And that produces a lot better edge. Now you can see this edge is not great. The last time it was sharpened, it looks like it was sharpened on a grinder that was small, and so you can almost see the radius in that chisel, which is not great for it. Not fantastic. This one has that radius going on, not good. But the way you use this guide, you would put it on your stone and then go back and forth like that, and it would sharpen your chisel. You would start with the rougher grit, and then once it's sharp there, then you'd move to the finer grit. And this is a whetstone, remember, so we put some water on there. So that is how you use a chisel guide to sharpen your chisels. Like I said, this one's not gonna work that well because it has a groove in it. I have another stone on order that we're gonna use for all of our chisel sharpening going forward. But this is something I would highly recommend, highly functional, very handy tool to have to help sharpen your chisels and to maintain a single plane and not have a rounded radius. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. Thanks so much for your attention as we look at how to use the gauge, the guide, to sharpen a chisel. Sharp chisels are safer because you put less force into them when you use them. Thanks for watching, folks, and remember to work hard because hard work is its own reward. We'll see you on the next one.